search Perplexity and open its official website. For showing how to use Perplexity for educational purpose, I'll just paste my entire syllabus into the search bar and click on the Research button. If you are using the free version of Perplexity, you get to use the research feature 3 times a day, so use it wisely. Now on the right side, click the Earth icon. Then, turn off the web option, because information on the web can be posted by anyone. Next, turn on the academic option. This tells Perplexity to use only academic papers and journals, which are much more reliable. Keep the social option off. Now, Perplexity will begin generating information based only on trusted sources. Depending on your topic or question, it might take a bit of time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. As you can see, Perplexity is generating a huge amount of detailed information. It's like it's writing a complete textbook for me. If you click on the Tasks tab, you can actually see what steps Perplexity followed to collect and organize this information. Click on the Sources tab to see where all this information came from. Once everything is ready, you can export your results in different formats, like PDF, Markdown, Word document, or even a Perplexity page. And when I exported it as a PDF, guess what? It gave me a 28-page PDF full of well-organized notes. Just look at this. It created information for all 10 chapters of my syllabus. It even provides proper references for everything it said. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment if you have any doubts.